stop.
Rocket. Follow.
Let's do a rocket first.
Rocket. 6 meters. 10 meters. 20 meters. 4 meters. 20 meters. Spin on. Spin off. Spin on.
So we'll press on that.
Yeah.
It will announce what it's going to do.
Yep.
Does a countdown.
Yep.
If you accidentally press it like I did yesterday,
Yeah.
while it's counting down, if you press it again, it stops counting down.
Right.
Follow. Rocket. 20 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
Come back down here. Go like this.
Follow. Selfie shot. Droning. Circle. Low angle. Flat. 4 meters. 6 meters. 10 meters. 20 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
Side. There you go, going around. Wants to stop. Oh. Stop, hold on.
Yeah.
Now you put your hand up there. The light goes blue. You go up the side. Now I've got control of it. That's it. I can control it from here now.
3, 2, 1.
So you should see a climbing spiral around us.
You don't have to see that feel.
Yeah, it points at us.
Yeah.
In these modes,
Yeah.
it films flying.
Yeah.
Might be able to see that separate from that a bit. Oh, that's a minute, yeah. So that's that, but then we can also fly it manually. So to take off, do a long press on that.
Yeah.
That's now hovering. When you press that, it gives you the full screen. I think that should then make it record. Yeah, that's now recording. And these are your joysticks.
Right.
So that one is up. And then that with the forward. Just pull it into the front. Go to the side. Yeah, it's just disconnected from the remote at the moment.
This way.
Oh, it says return to home. It disconnected from the phone, so it should come back and land on there. See how accurate it is.
That's not bad at all.
There we
that.
go. 30 satellites we're connected to.
Right. Yep.
That's pretty good. It's not going anywhere just at the minute. That's how you start recording. That'll switch it to. There you go, that's a photograph. Take the photograph. Back to video. Okay. Nobody about now, is there?
Nope.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Very good. So that will be up and away. Need to press record. Record. Oh, what's on camera? Land it. That's the home button there.
Return to home.
So put a flight path on your screen. That should follow the clock itself on that fast.
Landing.
That's center line. Where the thing will be.
Landing. Takeoff. Home point updated.
That's power on there.
Right.
Landing.
There we go. Put it off before it's not to it again. Yeah, going for it itself. Bullseye. Excellent. That doesn't have to go through, I suppose. Oh.
Send 1 metre.
It gives you your height and everything there, doesn't it?
Yeah. Why?
English heritage site.
Right.
They won't allow it.
No, they wouldn't know.
Yeah.
So,